Newton Crouch Incorporated presents technical tips. Reasons to buy a guidance system. A GPS guidance system reduces setup time. There's the initial mixing of the foam dye and then filling the tanks, refilling the tanks, cleaning the tanks, driving back and forth to refill. All of this is time you could be spending in the field. Gas isn't free. Fuel costs demand that refilling trips be as short as possible. GPS guidance has no ongoing maintenance time or expense. Guidance uses less chemicals. A reduction in swath overlap reduces the amount of chemical applied. This improves your cost of chemicals with the added benefit of being good for the environment. GPS parallel swathing is more reliable and accurate than foam. When using foam, the operator must visually line up with the last swath, which usually requires a skilled operator. Overlap or gaps result in inaccurate application or uneven crop production. GPS is not affected by wind, rough terrain, or boom bounce. Blowing foam and boom bounce can significantly reduce your swath accuracy. GPS is not affected by any of these conditions. GPS will work well in low humidity. Foam markers are not usable when conditions are very hot or dry. GPS will operate when it's cold. In cold weather, the foam line can freeze and the marker will not function. GPS works well in large fields. In a large field where return to a filling station can take excessive time, the foam can actually dissipate, making it difficult for the operator to line up. GPS does not lose guidance. You can always go back to the point where you left off. GPS guidance means accurate field calculation for an accurate rate application. Most GPS systems today can calculate your field area, even with odd-shaped boundaries. An accurate application rate means accurate billing. Documenting the field size and the amount of product spread provides you and your customer with better documentation. GPS guidance is easy to use. Basic field operation is no more difficult than using your cell phone. GPS guidance can be configured for fine-tuning of driving patterns. Your field is rarely a perfect rectangle, and the GPS allows you to follow the contours of terrain and physical obstacles while maintaining an accurate swath. GPS guidance is ideal for dry spinner applicators. Ground spreaders cannot effectively use foam markers. The operator must guesstimate the end of the last swath for lining up. GPS provides effective guidance over any growing crop. The canopy obstructs the sighting of foam in solid seeded crops, such as wheat and soybeans. When the foam falls to the ground, the operator cannot see it. GPS guidance reduces operator fatigue. GPS equipment allows operators to accurately drive swaths without twisting or straining to spot the foam. GPS guidance allows operators to finish a field in low light or even night. Guidance is effective day or night. There is no need to stop spreading because you're losing light. Your electronic GPS can easily be moved from vehicle to vehicle. Proudly made in America, a family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.